A is for angelfish, swish, swish, swish. B is for blue whale, big and slow. C is for crab, snap, snap, snap. D is for dolphin, splash, splash, splash. E is for eel, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. F is for frogfish, sit, sit, sit. G is for giant squid, wave, wave, wave. H is for hammerhead, cruise, cruise, cruise. A, B, C, clap with me. Cube by cube beneath the sea. I is for isopod, row, row, row. J is for jellyfish, float, float, float. K is for krill, zip, zip, zip. L is for lobster, snap, snap, snap. M is for manatee, calm and sweet. N is for nautilus, spin, spin, spin. O is for octopus, dance, dance, dance. P is for porpoise, jump, jump, jump. A, B, C, clap with me. Cube by cube beneath the sea. Q is for quahog, clamp, clamp, clamp. R is for ray, glide, glide, glide. S is for seahorse, stand, stand, stand. T is for turtle, paddle, paddle, paddle. U is for urchin, round and spiked. V is for viperfish, grin, grin, grin. W is for walrus, clap, clap, clap. X is for X-ray tetra, flash, flash, flash. A, B, C, clap with me. Cube by cube beneath the sea. Y is for yellow tang, dance, dance, dance. Z is for zooplankton, drift, drift, drift. A, B, C, clap with me. Cube by cube beneath the sea.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Goodbye.